Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some video editor missing and Windows editor not available in Microsoft Photos app. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all open Windows Store. Open Windows Store, click on Library, click on Get Updates. After completing that, click on Update All and update all one by one. After updating that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. The second method is that in the search box type a PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is get -app x package space photos space column space remove dash app x package and press enter. After that, type exit and exit it. After doing this step, open a Microsoft. Click on apps. In the search, type up photos. Click on Microsoft Photos. So download and install in your PC. The third method is that go to your settings of your Windows. Click on Windows Update and download and install if any updates available. Now click on install, and after installing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.